In the previous video, we had a walkthrough on the investigator's side, how the investigator investigates the case, completes the task, and closes the case. Now that the case has been marked as completed and the investigator's role has come to an end, now comes the supervisor because the closed case has been parked into the supervisor's queue. Let's start and have a walkthrough of it. Let's log in from the supervisor's role. We click the cases in the left panel. The cases dashboard appears. Here you can see the pending final approval case appears. You can click the case. Here you can see in the case detail tab there appears to be review case closure button. In the task log there's another task that has been created for the supervisor only, approve case closure. Supervisor can review the case closure from this action as well. The same comes the case history. Last time when we viewed the case history, it was the and task created and the updated. Right now, since we had performed different actions as an investigator, all of it can be viewed by the supervisor. Supervisor can view the comment history as well. Let's move to the task log and review the case closure. I'll press this action button, review case closure. Here comes two tabs, approve case closure and reject case closure. For now, we are just approving the case closure. In the approved case closure, we can view the investigator's notes, the recommended outcome that the investigator has marked. For the final outcome, what happens is that the same three options appear for the supervisor as well. Close inconclusive, closed refuted, and closed confirmed. The supervisor can put in the mandatory comments as well. The supervisor now wants to walk through the task as well to view the investigator, what the investigator has investigated. So he'll walk through the task detail, the linked items, the evidence, the visualization, the investigation notes, and the summary as well. He will mark this as closed. And then in the action button, like we had reviewed before, he will then select as close confirmed because he also thinks that it is a confirmed case. He makes his final remarks and generates the investigation report. In the generate case investigation report, he can see the following: then the executive summary, the findings, the evidence summary, the final outcome, and the recommendation as well. He presses the generate report button and sees all the attachments and all the details that the investigator has put in. He can also put up his recommendation and conclusions as well. He'll press the finalize and approve report button and confirm the approval. You can now see that the report has been finalized and approved successfully. We'll go into the closed cases filter, and here we can see that the case is closed confirmed. We now review the case details. The case information appears to be closed confirmed, but the parent case appears ready for assignment. As I have walked you through in the previous videos that the AML case has been still ready for assignment, that is why the parent case fraud in AML shows as ready for assignment. The supervisor can view the investigator report as well. The investigator report reviews the case information, executive summary, the key findings, supervisor feedback, evidence summary, the final outcome, and the recommendation and conclusions. Here we can see that the end-to-end cycle has ended. After this, we'll be reviewing the compliance officer's role, who can view the case for the regulator perspective since it has been close confirmed.